showing you the packaging here. You can see how it comes. As you can see, it's all pretty there. We take the lid off. So to start, get your manual there. See that? We'll go back to that in a second. Initially get the box open here, and you can see your Facelift Pro conductive gel stand there, and obviously your plug for recharging. So little stand here, put it down, get your little device out there. There you go. And it's even got a little space there for the charger to go down as well, so you can charge it while it's in the stand. Just pop the box back down, and I'll go through the manual and a little bit more with you as well. So just give you a quick little look into that. So here's your Facelift Pro. It tells you a little bit about obviously how to work the device, what the device does, what it comes with, what all the light sequences do, and obviously then your how to use there as well.